Curry is the 8th must-eat food in the world before you die. Curry is a food that originated in India. The etymology of curry is derived from the Sanskrit word, kari, meaning sauce, or seasoning. The history of curry in India goes back more than 2,500 years. You can see it in the history of cooking as well as in the medical scriptures recorded in Ayurveda in ancient India. As India's influence spread to various regions, curry also developed in various forms. Today, it has become one of the most loved foods in Asia, Europe, and America. Curry is a stew made with meat, vegetables, and spices, and there are various types depending on how you make it. The most common curry is curry made with chicken and potatoes. Curry made with beef and vegetables, curry made with pork and broccoli. There is curry made with lamb and tomatoes. Curry can be eaten with rice, spread on bread, or with noodles. Curry is good for your health because it warms your body in winter and is nutritious. Curry dishes by country. Indian curry. Indian curry boasts a rich taste and flavor by using various spices. The main spices are coriander, cumin, turmeric, and coriander. There are differences in taste because various ingredients and spices are used depending on the region and taste. Indian curry includes chicken curry, butter chicken, Logan Joshi, and chicken tikka masala. Thai curry. Unlike Indian curry, Thai curry is based on coconut milk and features a sweet taste. Salted shrimp, lemongrass, gaffi salt fertilized rice of Southeast Asia, etc. It uses distinctive ingredients and spices to provide a unique taste and aroma. Typical Thai curry includes green curry, red curry, and panel curry. Japanese curry. Japanese curry is a curry that developed independently in Japan and is also called Japanese curry. Japanese curry uses water that is thicker and shorter than Indian and Thai curry, so it features a sticky spice lao. Japanese curry is made by frying onions, carrots, potatoes, etc. in a frying pan and mixing water with curry lao. It is gaining popularity for various variations such as pork cutlet curry and cheese curry. British curry. British curry is a food developed based on Indian curry that originated in India and was handed down when the task force moved to England. Corial curry is famous for its curry made by mixing Indian curry with vegetables and various spices with British jam, brown sauce, and xyli fruit. Chicken tikka masala is a dish created in England based on Indian tikka cuisine. Curry like this has developed into a popular dish in all Commonwealth countries. Like this, curry has developed by combining various cultures and styles as it has spread around the world, starting with India. The curry introduced so far in India, Thailand, Japan, and England helps us understand the history and culture of curry. It is a dinner loved by many people because each country and region has a unique curry type.